Well, we could always take you to the pool. But it might be more fun to take the pool to you. What better way to start than making a pool? Remember, inspiration can come from anywhere. So that's why her hair's so big. It's full of secrets. Plus, all the stuff we need to make a cool new water park. One that's completely on brand for Sprunki Land, too. Sorry, guys, we're gonna need those lounge chairs. And by lounge chairs, we mean water slides. You can pick between the pink and blue slides. Or think outside the box with a fun, loopy slide. Either way, we can't forget the most important part of all, water. Let's grab our Sprunki friends before they turn into fish flakes. Come on! All of Sprunki Land's invited to the grand opening. Get in line, everybody. There's plenty of slide to go around. But as Oren knows, every great pool party needs music.
Come on.
We've got a DJ, but we're gonna need a turntable. Take a cardboard box. Make smaller boxes. Now we'll need buttons in all sizes. Next, we're gonna need an aluminum can. Just skim a little off the top. And add to a box. It needs a little something.
Wow.
Aha! Talk about a real bandstand. Speaking of which, this will give it some legs to stand on. Okay, DJ Oren, time to show your stuff. Get out of the pool, everyone. It's time to dance. Or just sway to the music. That works too. It's getting late. Oh, Ratty, is it past your bedtime? I know. We'll make you a bed worthy of a mermaid. Let's start with a seashell shape. Carve it out. Cut off the excess clay. We can save it for later. Peel off the paper and make sure everything's lined up. Now pick it up and roll it into shape. Let's introduce you to your better half. Why don't we add a nice splash of color? Some pink and purple will make a nice match.
Cool.
Let's add a blanket and some pillows. Now Ratty can start counting some sheep. You know, every party needs a furry friend. A little something for the introverts. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Sure you don't want to wear some gloves?
Yuck.
Well, at least it's a cute little ball now. Or are you making donuts? Or are you making our Sprunki friends? Wait a minute, they're both! They're Sprunki donuts! Why don't we order a baker's dozen? After all, I think we're gonna need more. Okay, did everybody get to try one? Uh-oh, guess it was first come, first serve. Oh, don't cry. We'll whip up something special next. And by whip, you know I mean cream. A delicious cream cake and a few other treats. Ooh, but you'll need something to wash it down with. And you can't exactly drink pool water. So why don't we start a stand? A juice stand, that is. Now we're gonna need some drinks. Let's start by making a juice dispenser. Blueberry. But a juice stand needs more than one flavor. Plus a few sodas on the side. We're open for business. Come on, everyone. Ratty's ready to take your order. Okay, calm down. Single file. Make a line. Let's help them out. How about some free samples? Everyone's got a drink? Good. You know, tips are appreciated. Uh-oh, I think Purple Durples had too much punch. Get in line for the biggest spot here, the water closet. Oh no, we got a clog. Well, at least it looks clean.
Ew.
By the looks of it, we need a whole new potty. We'll need to make one from scratch. Grab a TP roll. I mean, it's got the background for its new job. Looks like this potty party needs some AirPods. Plus, this case it comes in makes a great tank. Chef's kiss. Now we need a seat and a lid. Hook it up. Keep some cleaning supplies nearby. Look at that. It's your turn, Durple. Speaking of dropping kids off at the pool, it's Mini Pinkies. They're her nieces. They solve mysteries. While they're here, let's make something for them. After all, I think they've just called Adult Swim. But who needs a pool when you've got your own playground? Start with a balancing act, a seesaw, complete with comfy seats. Try it out. Up and down, up and down. Noticing a pattern? Ooh, we don't want your sister to feel left out. Hold on, we've got just the thing. A swing, and it's just for you. Give her a push. She's the queen of the world. But here's something for all three of you. It's a merry-go-round, not the horsey kind. We're not done yet. Cut the bottom off a paper cup. Draw some lines to divide it like a pizza. Now take a straw and bend it like a bench. We're gonna need some more straws. Add the wheels and we've got a bike. Ketchup? Guess we've earned a little snack break. Would you like some fries with that? Or maybe a napkin? I see. We need the container. Trim a little off the top. Add some cool blue paint all around it. Cool. I get it. We're making coolers. No, wait. They're wagons. Hook it up to the bike.
Hey, come on.
Come on, Pinky. Let's take the girls for a ride. You guys are in for a special treat. You're getting a special tour around this place. In fact, let's take one last look around here. This is the coolest place around, and you're all invited. Of course, there could be something even more fun. And that's making a water park of your very own. You know, when it comes to Sprunki Land aquariums, you know you can expect a whole lot of colors. Unfortunately, here comes Mr. Black with a splash. Let's help these fish out of water get right back in. What? Haven't you heard that there's no place like home? But no one says you can't upsize your place. First, we'll need some sand for the floor. Ah, the one time it's okay to track in dust. A pineapple? Under the sea? Oh, where have we heard that before? It's got a surprise! It lets you customize. Always a good thing to have in fruit. Ooh, I think we're gonna need a doorway. You got a little something. Well, eyes are the windows to the soul. What's that? A straw? Well, I am feeling parched. Wait, no, it's more clay. I wonder what it's for. Ooh, it's a stylish pair of headphones. Up next, a toadstool? That's one way to use it. I was thinking, well, stool. Sprouting antennae? I think you've got enough to share. Our fruity friend's looking kind of familiar. It's Oren. But he's still got room for sponges and blocks. Well then, we might as well get building. Now that's an arch of triumph, but it needs a wall. Not to mention some seaside touches. It's time for a little elfin, mermaid magic, or whatever she is. Are we making a raft? Oh, even better, a lounge chair. Make that a bunch of lounge chairs. Guess it always pays to buy in bulk. Now sit back, relax, and watch our shadow puppet show. Oh, this is a good one. It's the Little Mermaid meets Sharknado. He'll meet his match from Little Mermaid to Big Mermaid. The show's fun and all, but our friends are getting antsy. Come on, I'm sure you have a fun idea inside you. Granted, a little more literal than I expected, but think of what we're saving on building supplies. Especially when we're making a Ferris wheel. But first, let's take care of this bubble wrap. At least it's more fun than packing peanuts. Ooh, seems like we gotta lance this bubble. But we can't waste any good material. Oh, our shark friend wants to help. And what a really fun pattern. Wait a minute, it's our old pal, Mr. Sun. After all, everything revolves around him. Seriously, it's science. Come on, let's go for a spin. Things are really heating up. Wait, follow the light at the end of the tunnel. No, really, I think it's leading us to something. Diamonds! And some doubloons. Now that's fancy. Uh-oh, Mr. Black is on the prowl. But don't worry, our crab friend knows what'll help. Something to eat. Like a nice roast turkey dinner. What? No sides? Well, it'll have to do. Let's give it to Sharky. You've had your lunch. Now it's time to launch. We'll just borrow this can of spray paint and use it to fix up our microwave. This puts a nice face on things, but I think our new friend's gonna need some teeth. A lot. Now you're gonna need a leg or cup to stand on. So why don't you cool down as our new bank? But not too cool. Don't want any frozen assets. Still, we can never have too much security. So why don't we whip up a new bodyguard?